I've always liked these Chanel earrings that Samantha wore in Sex and the City. Being as I own several 3D printers, I thought I'd try to replicate them. First, I did an image search for the Chanel logo to find an appropriate one. Then I uploaded the image to an online converter to turn it into an SVG file. I'm going to create earrings from that image that I turned into an SVG file. I've imported the SVG, and there it is. Click OK. Finish the sketch. Select it, right-click, and choose Press Pull. I'm just eyeballing proportions. Now I need to sketch a hole on it through which a jewelry finding can go. So I'll click on the circle. I'm eyeballing it centered where the two C's intersect. Select, right-click, and press Pull. Then under File, click on Export and export it as an STL file. Here's the file inside ChiTuBox, which is a slicer for resin printers. I'm going to copy it and rotate them a little bit off the platform because for resin printing, they can't sit flat on the platform. There needs to be a little bit of an angle. Now I'll click on Supports and click All. I can adjust the density, which I'm going to do because by default I have found ChiTuBox's supports to be a little thick and hard to remove. Now I'll click Slice and then Save. I also sliced it in MakerBot Desktop to make a few filament models. Picking out some jewelry findings. And there you have it.